Hello students, welcome to the first video of Science Class 8 Chapter 6 Combustion and Flame. Students, in this chapter, we shall learn about the chemical process of burning and the type of flame produced during this process. And in today's video, we will discuss about the process of combustion. So let us start. First, let us understand what is the meaning of combustion. The process in which a substance combines chemically with oxygen to give off heat and light is called combustion. And in combustion process, heat and light is evolved during the combustion, and that's why combustion is an exothermic process. Students, have you noticed that all the material that are present around us can be combusted? No, some material are combustible and some are not. So let us understand which type of material are combustible and which type of material are non-combustible. First, let us understand what is combustible substances. The substances which burn in air to produce heat and light are called combustible substances. For example, wood, coal, kerosene, LPG, CNG, etc. These materials, when come in contact with air, they start combustion. And now let us understand what are non-combustible substances. Those substances which do not undergo combustion are called non-combustible substances. For example, stone, cement, soil, sand. These material does not combust in the presence of oxygen, and that's why these are non-combustible substances. Now students, here are some combustible and non-combustible substances. Tick them as combustible and non-combustible substances. First is wood. Wood is combustible or non-combustible? Yes, it is combustible. And paper, it is also combustible. Iron nail, non-combustible. Kerosene oil is combustible material. Charcoal is also combustible material. Straw is also combustible material. And stone pieces, these are non-combustible. And students, did you know that there are some necessary conditions that support the process of combustion? Let us know about them. A substance which helps combustion or burning process is called the supporter of combustion. Students, there are three necessary conditions that support the process of combustion or burning. First necessary condition for combustion is presence of combustible substance like wood and coal. And second is the presence of supporter of combustion, that is air. Air is one of the supporter of combustion, and without air, combustion or burning process does not take place. Students, you must have performed the candle activity. When we burn the candle, then it needs oxygen to burn. But if we put a glass over the burning candle, then after some time the candle blows off, and this indicates that oxygen helps in the process of combustion. And third supporter of combustion is combustible substance to its ignition temperature. Students, ignition temperature is the temperature at which any substance starts burning. Students, when we burn any combustible substance, then it does not start burning immediately. First, it absorbs some amount of heat, and after that, it starts burning. So, the amount of heat that a material or substance absorbs to start burning is called ignition temperature. Now, let us revise what we have learned today. Question 1. A substance which reacts with oxygen giving heat is called a combustible substance. Which one of the following is a combustible substance? A. Iron nail, B. Glass, C. Stone piece, D. Wood. And your right answer is D. Wood. Question 2. Which of the following is not combustible substance? A. Camphor, B. Glass, C. Straw, D. Alcohol. And your right answer is B. Glass. Question 3. On placing an inverted tumbler over a burning candle, the flame extinguishes after some time. This is because of non-availability of A. Oxygen, B. Water vapor, C. Carbon dioxide, D. Wax. And your right answer is A. Oxygen. Question 4. In villages, people use wood as fuel because A. It is considered to be an ideal fuel. B. Of its easy availability and low cost. C. It is environment friendly. D. It catch fire easily. And your right answer is B. Of its easy availability and low cost. Practice makes perfect. Students, it's time to practice. And your practice homework are on your screen. Students, we will be present soon with the next video of this chapter. Till then, take care and thank you for watching.